Okay, before we get to Ryan's forecast, we do have a quick holiday public service announcement of sorts from the South Portland Police Department to those drivers out there who are really into Christmas.
So an officer recently stopped a car. You may be guessing why. Take a look at this. It had hundreds of Christmas lights duct taped to it, and that is a no-no. State law says you cannot have any auxiliary lighting, including decorative or under vehicle lights, while driving on a public roadway. So as police say, bottom line here, if your car looks like Santa's sleigh, keep the lights off before you hit the road.
Can we ban the antlers while we're at it? Go off the side.
This little reindeer.
Not my thing.
I kind of like the lights. I get it. I get why it's not allowed.
Perfect for a parade.
Sure.
Not great for just driving down the road.
Sure.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Fair trade-off there. Tonight, though, it's a little tricky on a lot of roadways.
Yes, still snowing, pure snow up in the mountains right now, 21 degrees in Sugarloaf. But a lot of you have seen a change to a little sleet or a little freezing rain after some accumulating snow. 4 inches of it in Freiburg and West Paris. Livermore Falls, 3 inches. We've changed to freezing rain in Manchester, and we're now mixing in Bangor and Lewiston after about an inch of snow there. Things have lightened up now in southern Maine and southern New Hampshire. Still a little bit more to go, though, so this isn't done completely. But for now, things have lightened up considerably to the south of Lewiston. Still steady precipitation to the north and east. We're watching that rain-snow line, though, and the temperatures over southern Maine are still near or even below freezing away from the coastline. So still could be some slick spots here. Snowing as you head up into the Oxford Hills, especially north of about Poland. That's where we're still mostly or all snow at this point. It's more of a mix, though, around Augusta, Waterville, and that rain-snow line is lifting north in a big way through eastern Maine. We're actually in the 40s on the coastline, 44 in Camden and Rockland, 45 in Cutler, 33 in Bangor, and this will continue to make some progress to the north over the next few hours. So your snow accumulation is pretty much done in all of these areas, but it does still snow through the night across the north. You can see by 10 o'clock that rain snow line lifting north. Most of this is over by about midnight and toward tomorrow morning. Other than a flurry in the mountains, the precipitation is going to be done. So the accumulation is on the ground here. We might add another couple of inches in the mountains and far north. Be aware, though, in that in-between zone where we've had a little freezing rain, there could be some light glazes and maybe even some black ice first thing tomorrow morning, even if you have treated already. So just be aware of that. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, the high temperature for the day will actually be in the morning. Pick the town closest to you and watch the temperatures drop through the afternoon. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds, and the wind will be kicking up tomorrow too, sending cold air right back in. Wind chills in the morning up near 30, but by the end of the day, probably dropping into the single digits. Then for Friday, it's bright, but it is going to be a gusty day with winds 10 to 20 miles per hour, so the wind chill still a factor out there on Friday. Saturday looks dry, less wind, 20s north, 30s south. No weather issues on Friday. There is a storm that goes by to our south Sunday into Sunday night. We're right on the edge of it as we see it now, with a chance for some light snow. It would take a big shift northwest to get us into more than just light snow, but we'll keep an eye on it. That's for Sunday. Seas tomorrow, 6 to 9 feet, southwest to westerly wind, 20 to 30 knots on the water. So be careful out there tonight. It's nothing heavy, but there are some slippery spots, especially inland. Tomorrow could be some patchy black ice in the morning, then the temps drop. It's a windy day tomorrow, cold and blustery on Friday. We'll keep an eye out for Sunday. Some light snow is possible, but right now it looks like a bigger storm offshore, and then it's cold again early next week.
Again and again, the cold goes.
Keeps reloading and reloading.
All right,
yeah.
Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.